Hello everyone, in this video uh, so the video today is about a beeping Seagate hard drive extracted from a laptop. So I'm not an expert, but I watched some tutorials and they were very beneficial on YouTube. So I had the idea that why not I'll do it myself, and to show you that it would be easy. So the problem we will see when we connect the hard drive to the computer, we will hear the sound that I found as well repeatedly on YouTube. So this is the beeping sound that I'm talking about. I don't know if you heard it or not. So in the on YouTube, most of the people say that it's a problem with the heads that is stuck on the platter, which reads the data inside this hard drive. So we'll try to unlock or free these heads from the platter and park it in its place, and after that we will try. So a couple of warnings before beginning. So the first thing, you have to clean everything. You have to clean to ensure that you have a clean environment. For sure you will not have a 100% clean environment. You have dust particles everywhere in the air. So definitely you will have dust particles inside your hard drive once you open it. And secondly, if you have very expensive or very valuable data inside your hard drive, it's better that you go for a specialized lab to get your data, to recover your data. Otherwise you can do it yourself and save a couple of euros or dollars. What else? Yes, I'm wearing plastic or rubber gloves, so that to avoid any electrostatic discharges or any electrostatic interaction. So we'll start by where is my screwdriver? The screws are T4 or T5. We will see. We'll have to be very careful with it. We don't want to more damage the hard drive. Yes. So I will try this one. Why it's not locked? Yes. No, we need the smaller. The smaller one. Where is the smaller one? This is the smaller one, I guess. This is a T4. I think this is it. Or this is... No, this is too small. Okay, so I think we need a T5. This is a T6. T7. We need a maybe T6. This is a T5. Those numbers are the size. Yes, it works. So we have to choose the right size of the screwdriver, not to damage the screws, and it would be very hard to put them again. So by the way, I'm wearing a mask to add to the protection or to the clean environment. I don't want to spit on the hard drive. no one wants that. So far so good. All the screws are right now off. So we have 6 screws, and eventually, as they said in the tutorials, there is the last screw is hidden below the sticker. So we'll try to find it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I don't know where is it. I can rip it off. Can we rip it? Just remove the sticker entirely. That would be so funny. So we're still searching for the I don't want to poke any wrong thing because I don't want to more damage the I don't want to damage the hard disk further. I can't find it. Shit. It's not here, of course. It must be. I don't know if no, I'm still searching for the last. Okay, I'll find it. So I think it's here, right? I think. Yes, it's here. It's perfectly hidden. Yes, we got it. I think it will not come out, this the last screw. It just stays there and you have just to pop. Just pop up this cover very gently, very carefully. I think we can use another. So I don't have a lot of tools here. So yes, so it's opened gently. We'll open it from the other side as well, maybe. Very carefully. Yes, it's off, I think. Carefully. So as we said, we have, yes, exactly as we expected. So this is the shiny thing, and we can see dust everywhere. So this is the disc, or this is called the platter, and this is the heads. So you can see this heads should be parked when the computer shuts off. on this orange bed, if you can see, if you can say, but unfortunately it crashed on the platter. So what we want to do, that's why the platter or the motor can't start the hard at the beginning. So what we will try to do is we will free this head or this arm from the platter or this shiny disk. How we will do this, I saw the technique on the tutorial that we will, here you can see a screw, okay. So we will use the correct size. Yes, this is a correct size. So we will turn it counterclockwise, and the direction is critically important, okay. And at the same time we will grab from one of those holes, we'll grab this head and just grab it. So we'll do the two things simultaneously. So we'll use this toothpick. I don't know if it will work or not, but I will try. So successful. We succeeded to remove the head from over the platter. So I think we will close it right now. Then we will try connect it again to our computer to see if it will run or it will be recognized or not. Unfortunately, this disk will not be reliable anymore, so it has to be replaced. But for now, I will just run it to grab all the information I can got from it. And of course there will be bad sectors, and because of this this head's being stuck on the platter, it scratched it, and right now all the dust particles, they are on the platter. But anyway, inside this there is a filter here, as I understood. There's a filter, and with the centrifugal force those particles are thrown away through this filter to keep the environment inside the hard disk clean. I don't know what is the origin of this problem, but it's from what I have known, it's common. So we'll just try it. There's a magnet. Yes. I don't know if it's okay. Perfect. We'll lock it again. So keep in mind that this hard drive will not be used again. It has to be replaced because you open it, so it's never depend on it. It's unreliable anymore. Come on, please. Yes. But it's just to get our data out from it. So as soon as possible, we hope that the data are there. You can of course test the hard drive. There are a lot of softwares. I think there is a software from Seagate itself to test the health, if you can see, of this hard drive, to see how many bad sectors, how many data was damaged or was lost. I hope we didn't lose a lot, but anyway, I will not test it. I don't have this software. I didn't download it, so I'm just here to show you how to fix the problem of stuck head on the platter. And the most important part is the diagnosis of the problem. The sound, it's very recognized, very why can't you just get inside your place? I'll switch. Stupid schools. Thank you. And the last one. The last one. So we'll yes, this is the last one. So eventually we're connected to the computer, hoping that it will work. I hope it works. I'm so excited. This is my first time. It's working. It's working very well. Yes, it's working. There is no strange sounds. So it's working, but I don't know why it's not recognized. It's not yet recognized on the anyway, so it's working. Yeah, there are still strange sounds, so we should very fast take our data from it. So thank you for watching, and I hope I don't make another video explaining how to repair anything else. Thanks, bye.